am I audible?
Yes, you're audible.
Thank you. Thanks for taking my question. So I have Polycab shares at 150 shares at the average price of 4,000 rupees.
Okay.
Okay, so I just want to know like fundamental view about this company specifically and wires and cable sectors in general. For let's say next couple of years, let's say.
Okay. Rajesh, just want to understand as to what was your thinking behind buying Polycab at that 4,000 levels, because you're sitting on a handsome profit of 5.7 lakh rupees.
So I had bought, like, let's say I think a couple of years back when there was a correction due to some news flow, this thing on the stock. So and there financially, performance wise, the company was doing good, at that point also. And so going forward in couple of years, let's say I want to know about like what is the fundamental view on wires and cable sectors in general and the company in particular.
Fair enough. Rajesh, you've spotted the right counter at the right level. I'll take this up with Saurabh then. Saurabh, what's the view like for Polycab, one, and second, the entire cables and wires space, considering that competition is heating up?
Is there, but yes, all the companies like KEI, Polycab are posting good set of numbers. If you look at the last 3-4 quarters, the companies are doing well. Our view is quite constructive on the sector, and from the next 2-3 years, companies like Polycab looks good to me.
Okay. All right. So that's with regards to where Polycab is concerned. We've got our next caller. BS Iyer is calling us from Bengaluru. Mr. Iyer, hi. Thank you so much for calling in. How can we help you today?
Yeah, I have 300 shares of two investments, bought at an average price of 1,200. I want to know what is the future.
Okay. You want from...
Because it has touched 5,000 and come back to 3,000. That's the reason.
Okay. All right. And this is from a longer term perspective, right?
Very long, exactly.
Okay, Saurabh, what's the view like for Tube investment? He's still sitting on profits of over 5.6 lakh rupees, but what he's saying is that it's gone to 5,000 and now come back to the 3,000 levels. From a longer term perspective, can you continue to hold the counter? Can he continue to hold the counter?
See, it is the last 2-3 quarters that the company is not performing. Maybe, possibly, it could have been the result of the two outcomes. Like there was a fall in the profitability quarter on quarter and the valuations also. And this company is coming. This is a company of the Murugappa Group, which has a lot of reputation, and this is a very old company. So if you want to take a contrarian call, you can still hold. But if you wish to book some partial profits, then you can go ahead.
Got the view, Saurabh. And we have had a couple of queries, Mahima, where investors are booking over 5 lakh rupees of profits, still holding on. So definitely one that we need to spot a few as well. But